Hello everyone, I am Kat from Kat's Makeup Station and I am here with NPTressTreats to share with you how I wrap my curls at night for bed. So if you would like to see how I take my NPTressTreats satin scarf and wrap up my curls, then stick around and keep watching. The first step that I like to do when I'm wrapping up my curls, I'm gonna take my scarf and I'm gonna turn it from a square shape to like a diamond. And then in that position, I'm gonna fold it in half. So I'm gonna go from that top corner to the bottom corner. So right in half it goes. Now those two ends that I'm folding towards one another, I'm not gonna completely match them up. I like to leave about 2 inches or so. So they're right about there. Now the shorter side, I'm gonna have that side face me when I go to prep my hair for the next step. Here I have my scarf folded in the triangle and the shorter end is facing me. Now I'm gonna flip my head forward and I'm gonna bring this end of the scarf very low down on the nape of my neck. Once I do that, I'm gonna bring the scarf over my ears and then I'm gonna tie a knot right to the front of my forehead. Before I make that knot, I'm gonna kind of smooth out my curls a little bit so everything is coming forward and out the top of the scarf. Here we go. Ooh, all right, so we got all the curls and everything smooth forward. I created that knot right at my forehead. Just keep in mind, don't make it too tight. You don't want to give yourself a headache. And of course you don't want it too loose because you don't want your scarf coming off. Now, once that is complete, I'm going to take these two loose ends. I'm going to pull them back across my ears and I'm going to make 2 knots really low at the nape of my neck. So here I go. Almost done. Now with this hand I have my curls, my opposite hand I have the longer piece of my scarf. As you can see, the shorter end is right here. So this is really helpful for twisting up and completing the wrap, because otherwise I'd have a little bit less material. When I do it uneven, I have a little bit more material that I can work with at the end. So I'm gonna take these curls with this shorter end of the scarf, kind of wrap them up in there, cover them up. Then I'm gonna pinch together that extra material, the longer end. I'm gonna keep twisting and twisting. Once you have a good portion of the tail twisted, you have a couple options. You can either lift up the material right here. You can tuck it under, twist it around a couple times. I like to just lift up the scarf that's closest to my face and tuck the tail under there. So that's what I'm gonna do. And that's it. Thank you so much everyone for hanging out with me and NPTressTreats. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to NPTressTreats for videos like this and so much more. Thanks again for watching. Take care.